Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is November the 1st, 2024. After the good old Hurricane Milton that took away all of our starfruit from the starfruit trees that we have here. You can see this one's been cleaned out. It's bare. But this is what a shriveled up, dried up, bent on the ground starfruit looks like. Nothing spectacular. Just a very ugly, emaciated looking product. Now, I've seen some flowers out here starting to grow. So there's some new flowers. That means that there will likely be some new starfruit very soon. Let's check these guys over here. See what we got. Got a lot of new growth. See that? All that new growth right there. Some new growth. It's always welcome. Now, this one, it got torn up a little bit, but it really didn't have any fruit, I don't think. Over here it had a ton of fruit, but I think they all got knocked down from the hurricane, except for these guys. Look at that. That's crazy. I didn't even know these were here. These are basically ready to harvest. Look, more flowers coming. That's very good news. So, looks like some of the starfruit did survive. Those were some big starfruit. Oh, yeah, look over here. There's a bunch of little starfruit. Then, if you look back here, you'll see how orange these things get. It's really crazy. It's just a very powerful orange color, but that just means they're sweet. So I'll probably be juicing those. So what you need to know about a starfruit, okay? This soil is just a pH of 7. It's very neutral. It's sandy. We're in Florida, zone 9B10A. So we're right on the border of those USDA hardiness zones. And the starfruit seems to like this neutral soil and this climate. What they do not like is wind. Unfortunately, that's what hurricanes bring, is a lot of wind. So we couldn't avoid that with these guys, but they're doing well considering all things, this is not what I was expecting to see coming out here. Right after the hurricane, I had thought all the starfruit were knocked down onto the ground. So I didn't even really bother to check, but here we are. Now there's no fertilizer, no pesticides have been added or contributed to the growth of these starfruits. So they just do really well in this Florida climate. I'd like to do a video on juicing these in a centrifugal juicer. So that is something that will be coming. Anyhow, yeah, there's no real big secret to growing these except, try to make sure they don't go below freezing. So if you're in a zone where it does not go below freezing, or if it does go below freezing, it's only for a very short period of time, then you might be able to grow these starfruit, these carambola. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'm going to continue to provide you with progress reports on these big, beautiful starfruit trees. Have a great day.